Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the exercises of chapter 11, the poem Blow Bugle Blow by Lord Alfred Tennyson from your class 7 NRR book. So let's get started. Question number 1. Describe the beautiful scene painted by the poet in the first verse. What is the splendor referred to in the first line? Answer. In the first verse, the poet paints a beautiful scenario of the great light falling on the castle walls and sparkling on the snowy summits, long light shaking across the lakes, and wild cataract leaping in glory. The word splendor is referred to great light or sunlight falling upon the castle, the mountains, and the lakes. Question number 2. The words blow bugle occur 4 times in the poem. This is an example of the poetic device of repetition. Give other examples of repetition from the poem. What is the effect of this device used by the poet? Answer. The other examples of repetition from the poem is echoes dying, dying, dying. The main effect of this device used by the poet is that with the repetition of these words, he puts emphasis on his message to his readers that the echoes faints with each repetition and slowly vanishes. So is the voices of common people. Question number 3. In the second stanza, we listen to two distinct kinds of echoes. Which words describe the sounds of the echoes amid the cliffs? Which words suggest the sounds of the echoes amid the glens? Answer. The words thin and clear describe the sounds of the echoes amid the cliffs. And the words the horns of Elfland suggest the sound of the echoes amid the glens. Question number 4. Note the rhyming words in each verse. Why do you think the poet has used so many of them? Answer. The rhyming words used in each verse are story, glory, flying, dying, going, blowing, replying, dying, river, ever. The poet has used so many of them because the poem is written in iambic tetrameter. The first line of each stanza has rhyming words. It is called internal rhymes. Examples: falls walls, here clear, die sky. Question number 5. Which do you consider are the most musical lines in this poem? Give reasons. Answer. The most musical lines in this poem are our echoes roll from soul to soul and grow forever and forever. This is because here the poet talks about the echoes of emotions and feelings between people, which travels from soul to soul and never dies, unlike the sound of the bugle. Rather, grow in our hearts forever and ever. Question number 6. Whom does the poet address in the third verse? What thought does he express here? Answer. In the third verse, the poet addresses his love. Here, the poet expresses his thought that the sound of the bugle dies in the distant sky. They faint away in the hill or field or river. But the echoes of emotions and feelings between people move from soul to soul. Thus it never dies, rather grows forever. Question number 7. Explain the following. A. The horns of Elfland faintly blowing. Answer. The poet imagines that the bugle notes that he hears are coming from the Elfland, a land of the fairies and elves. It is described as the most beautiful and peaceful place, a place of majestic creatures that are superior to normal humans. B. Our echoes rolls from soul to soul. Answer. According to the poet, the sound of the bugle travels through the hills and rivers and thus fades away. But the echoes of love, emotions, and feelings amongst people travel from soul to soul and thus never dies but lasts forever. With this, we have completed the exercises of the poem Blow Bugle Blow. I hope this was helpful to all of you. Thank you.